नमस्कार दोस्तों। तो कैसे हैं आप? लर्नर्स बाय द वे कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि जैसे मैं क्लासेस नहीं ले पाता, सो डोंट वरी, अगले दिन जरूर आपकी क्लास आती है। लर्नर्स ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म ऑन यूट्यूब आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट कि मैं आपको कुछ ना कुछ हर एक लर्नर को दे सकूं, चाहे वो मेरा पेड लर्नर हो या फ्री लर्नर्स। इन्हीं सारी बातों को ध्यान में रखते हुए आज की इस वीडियो में, बिकॉज आई नो कि लर्नर्स रियली स्ट्रगल करते हैं इन पॉइंट्स को जानने के लिए। So in brief learners, these 7 points, or you can say these 7 theories. First one is cultural studies, and then structuralism, and then feminist criticism, Marxist criticism, and new criticism, queer theory, and reader response theory. So learners, क्या है basically ये theory? और इनमें हम किन चीजों को देखते हैं और कौन कौन से हैं मेजर क्रिटिक्स, सिर्फ इस बारे में मैं लर्नर्स आपके साथ बात करूंगा आज की क्लास में। अगर आप चाहें तो मेरी टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, पेपर टू के क्रैश कोर्स को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं ऑन एन अकेडमी, बिकॉज दिस इज द क्रैश कोर्स। ऑन दिस क्रैश कोर्स आई एम गोइंग टू कवर योर इन entire syllabus within time, a quick revision with bullet points, with important points, and learners you know very well कि always मेरी टेस्ट सीरीज बहुत काम की होती है। ऑलवेज लर्नर्स मेरी टेस्ट सीरीज से डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, और मैं 100% कहता हूँ नेक्स्ट टाइम भी लर्नर्स मेरी टेस्ट सीरीज से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होंगे। पेपर वन भी आपको मिल जाएगा, दिस इज द बेनिफिट फॉर यू। एंड लर्नर्स डू नॉट फॉरगेट यूज माय रेफरल कोड, दिस इज AKS Rajveer. By using this referral code you are going to avail 10% extra discount, so you can choose the plan according to your affordability। जैसे भी हो आपकी लर्नर्स, यू कैन सी 3 month, 6, 12 एंड 24 मंथ सब्सक्रिप्शन। सब्सक्रिप्शन मींस कि जितने दिन का आप सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हैं उतने दिन की आप मेरी लाइव क्लासेस वॉच कर सकते हैं। हाँ, उसकी पहले की जो भी क्लासेस हैं आप एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, स्टडी मटेरियल भी। अगर आप आज भी ज्वाइन करते हैं तो जो 6 मंथ में मैंने पढ़ाया वो सारा आप एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। डिपेंड ऑन यू कि हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू कवर, बिकॉज यू हैव टू वॉच ऑल द रिकॉर्डिंग्स एंड देन डेली लाइव क्लास टू। लर्नर्स, जो हमारी क्लासेस होती है, देखिए रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं होती, we are going to provide you interactive class so that कि आप हमसे बात कर सके रियल टाइम में। ओके लर्नर्स, तो चलिए शुरू कर देते हैं। बहुत बातें हो गई क्योंकि मैं कभी कभी बहुत ज्यादा बातूनी हो जाता हूँ। Now learners, cultural studies and structuralism, feminist criticism, Marxist criticism or theory, and then you have new criticism, queer theory, and then reader response. So first of all, let's discuss about cultural studies. So learners, cultural studies के बारे में बहुत सारे लोगों का कई बार सोचना होता है कि what is this? We are not going to understand this one. And even कि a number of educator I have seen the videos, and even I feel कि a number of educators are saying that cultural study is not a cake work. But learners, please try to understand in my point of view. Yes, cultural studies is like a cake work. Yes. How? So learners, cultural studies is nothing that this is going to emphasize the role of literature in everyday life. Culture, we have culture, we have certain rituals, we have some certain values, ethical values, moral values, religious values. So sometimes you can feel that cultural is going to bound, आपको एक जगह बांध देता है culture। Okay, and even you have culture like the popular culture, you have the low culture, or popular culture, you can say higher culture, that is popular culture, low culture, culture of masses. So how you are going to interpret so culture of masses in a few words कि जैसे learners, जो culture of masses यानी कि जो एक भीड़ का जो culture होता है वो कोई नहीं फॉलो करता, और जो सेलिब्रिटीज का कल्चर है उसको सब कोई फॉलो करता है, एंड दैट इज एक्सेप्टेबल। सो जो मास कल्चर है दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी एक्सेप्ट, and on the other hand the celebs culture or celebrities culture, this is going to be followed by the others. So you can see that this is a kind of relation apart. And the cultural studies, this was begin with Richard Hogarth. So and learners in 1964 इन्होंने इस टर्म को बहुत ही वाइडली यूज किया, and he established a center. So this is known as Center for Contemporary Cultural Studies. This is CCCS. This is the place that is situated in University of Birmingham. This is the university in UK. So वहां पर established है, this is a department. And learners, cultural studies एक ये कहा जा सकता है कि ये indisciplinary एक स्टडी है, जहां पर आप एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, यू कैन सी रिलीजन हो, आपका पॉलिटिक्स हो, सो एवरीथिंग यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टडी. And now let us see the major critics. So Stuart Hall, Richard Hogarth, and then you have Raymond Williams, and then Antonio Gramsci. So these are, even Seats is also there, but these are the prominent critics related to cultural studies. So cultural studies is nothing. This is going to show you the role of literature in everyday life, the role of literature, the role of cinema, the role of other kind of text and other kind of, you can say, practices. So that is what going to show. Now learners, we have structuralism. So when we talks about structuralism, so हमारे mind में एक structure आता है. For example, I am going to say this is what. So learners, आपने कहा कि oh this is emoji. आप कहने कहेंगे yes this is emoji. Structuralism. So structuralism में learners फर्डिनेंड डी शेसर ने एक concept बहुत अच्छा बताया. काफी अच्छा concept है. You can understand in a few words. So he is going to talk about sign. We have sign, 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 and then we have signifier, signi, signifier, and then signi, signified, signified. So learners, sign, we have a sign. For example, this is a sign, this is the black one spot. Okay, so आप कहेंगे कि yes this is the sign, and इससे related concept. So that is what? So that is signifier, and then signified. So the related concept, so learners, 3 point है यहाँ पर: sign, signifier and signified. Signified, it means कि आपने समझ लिया कि what is the meaning of that particular sign, and signifier, the medium, you can say you may be the medium. If you are in a you can say in a square, this is the square, और यहाँ पर एक red light लगी है और यहाँ पर आप खड़े थे, so red light it means stop. So this is the sign, and you are going to signify the concept behind the light. That is what, learners. So structuralism is going to examine the universal underlying structure in a text and linguistic unit in a text, and how the author conveys meaning through any structure. So structuralism, when in you are going to apply in a literary work, or you can say in a work of art, whenever you are going to apply this one. So what you are going to say, so you are going to see how author conveys meaning. Author ने कैसे meaning दी है in this particular work through any structure, whatever structure he has used. For example, कि हो सकता है उन्होंने sky का symbol लिया हो, sky, and with the help of sky he is going to represent something. So that may be. So that is structuralism. Now learners, you can see Ferdinand de Saussure, Roman Jakobson, Claude Lévi-Strauss, Roland Barthes, Mikhail Bakhtin, and you have Yuri Lotman, Umberto Eco, Jacques Ellerman, and Northrop Frye. And learners, even other critics, you have also other critics too related to structuralism. So major जो critic है, so he is Ferdinand de Saussure, Roman Jakobson, Claude Lévi-Strauss, and Roland Barthes too. Learners, we have another point. So this is feminist literary criticism. So what is feminist literary criticism? So from the word feminist, you can easily understand that this is going to emphasize on gender relations. Yes, emphasize themes of gender relations. So this is what, learners, you can see. Gender relation, especially women. So learners, Louise Irigaray, and then you have Judith Butler, Helen Chixos, Julia Kristeva, Ellen Showalter. So these are the important critique related to feminist literary criticism or literary theory. Alice Walker and also other learners. These are the critics that are associated with feminist literary criticism. Why I am going to teach all these critics? So learners, देखिए, अगर if you are till now you have not joined any classes, अगर आपने कोई भी लर्नर्स क्लासेस नहीं ज्वाइन की, सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज क्रिटिक्स आप इन लिटरेरी थियरीज को इजीली कवर अप कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टीचिंग यू. ओके, माय पर्पस कि आप इन सारे क्रिटिक्स को पढ़ेंगे, सो देन यू विल कम टू नो. नाउ लर्नर्स, we have another important point. So this is eco criticism. So learners, eco criticism I think कि बहुत कम questions explore किए जाते हैं, but just it is going to explore the cultural connection with the human relation, with natural world. So this is you can say the human relationship with natural world. So in eco criticism you are going to see, and you have a critic like Godfrey and all. So there are a number of critic, Habermas and all. Okay, learners. Now see Marxism. So Marxism, what is Marxism? So learners, Marxism is going to emphasize on the themes of class conflict, class struggle. Marxist says that there must be equal distribution of means, संसाधनों का एक सामान्य वितरण, that is okay, which emphasize themes of class conflict. Even in this particular Marxist theory, you can see Marx ने discuss किया है कि there is a class that have class and another class that is have not class. Bourgeois class, and on the other hand you have proletariat. So these are the two classes. Yes. So one class that has the power of means of production, and another, so that is you can say labor or working class. So that is what. And even learners in Marxist theory, you can see class structure is also really important. And Marxist theory always going to focus on where, so always going to focus on cultural studies, because cultural studies is the production of, after Marxist theory you have neo Marxist, because Marxist जो theory थी, so ये failed हो गई थी. So इसके failure के बाद you can see neo Marxist theory. Frankfurt School is also associated to cultural studies. Even you have Antonio Gramsci, who has given the concept of cultural hegemony. And then Raymond Williams. So Raymond Williams ने भी learners कल्चरल मैटेरियलिज्म जैसी बात की है. रिचार्ड होगार्ट, स्टुअर्ट हॉल, सो दीज आर द क्रिटिक कल्चरल स्टडीज से रिलेटेड है. सो नियो मार्क्सिस्ट थियरी इज क्लोजली एसोसिएटेड विद कल्चरल स्टडीज. ओके लर्नर्स, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपको Frankfurt School. You have to study Frankfurt School. That is really important. And now learners see new criticism. Oh, so first of all, see Marxist critics like Karl Marx, John Lucas, and you have another critic like Raymond Williams, Terry Galton, and then you have Theodore Adorno, and then Frederick Jameson, Walter Benjamin. So these are the important critics related to Marxism, or you can say Marxist theory. Now you have new criticism. So what is new criticism? So learners, new criticism is just going to focus on literary work on the basis of what is written, on the basis of what is written, word on the page. The new criticism is going to focus on word on the page. And new criticism was coined by John Crow Ransom, J.C. Ransom. He has already written a work, New Criticism. And learners, what is going to focus on this kind of criticism? So this going to look a literary work on the basis of what is written, and not at the goals of author or biographical issues. Just they are going to focus on word on the page, word on the page. So what is on the page, that matters. एंड कोई मतलब नहीं कि ऑथर की लाइफ क्या थी, पर्सनल इश्यूज क्या थे, या एज का बैकग्राउंड क्या था, डजंट मैटर. So this is what new critics says. And now you have the new criticism critics like W.K. Wimsatt, F.R. Lewis, John Crow Ransom, Neith Brooke, Robert Penn Warren, and T.S. Eliot. So learners, सबको आपको पढ़ना होगा. Wimsatt and Beardsley, fallacy के बारे में बात किया. Then John Crow Ransom, so new criticism को coin किया, and he has written a work. Neith Brooke, Robert Penn Warren, and T.S. Eliot are also important. Then you have queer theory. So queer theory is this is also going to examine, the question and criticizes the role of gender identity and sexuality in literature. So queer theory is just going to focus on the role of gender identity and sexuality in literature. So you have major critics like Judith Butler, Eve Kosowski, and then you have Kosowski, Sedgwick, and then you have Michel Foucault. So these are the critics associated with queer theory. And learners, please do not go on my pronunciation कि मैं बहुत सारे words को अच्छे से pronounce नहीं कर पाता, because I am not British at all, or you can say American. I am Indian just. Okay, so I am trying my best. So that is what. Now see learners, the concept of interpretive community. So this was developed by whom? So Stanley Fish. And Harold Bloom has written a work. This is the first work by Harold Bloom. Shelley's myth making. And learners, Shelley's myth making में बहुत सारी बातें की Harold Bloom में. What he is going to say? Charged many contemporary critics with sheer carelessness in their reading of Shelley. इन्होंने कहा कि बहुत सारे ऐसे critics हैं जिन्होंने बहुत ही ज्यादा जल्दबाजी की है शैली की राइटिंग को रीड करने में. That is what Harold Bloom said in Shelley's myth making. Another important point we have, पोप ने लर्नर्स पोएटिक डिक्शन यूज किया है ये वर्ड कहां पर? सो लर्नर्स जब उन्होंने ट्रांसलेट किया था इलियाड को, ओके, एंड इसको लर्नर्स यहां पर ट्रांसलेट करते हुए इन्होंने लिखा था टू मार्क द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द वैक्युलरी ऑफ प्रोज एंड पोएट्री. इन्होंने वर्ड यूज किया था पोएटिक डिक्शन. Another important criticism, we have new criticism. So this is already we have focused learners. So this is erase kar sakte hain ise. Now learners, we have reader response. So what is reader response? So reader response is a kind of criticism that is going to focus on each reader's personal reaction to a text, assuming meaning is created by a reader or interpretive community personal interaction with a text. So learners, जो reader response, so it means कि reader is going to give the response after reading the text. What is the reaction of a reader? So that is known as reader response criticism. And reader response criticism by Stanley Fish you have. And now see learners, Louis Rosenblatt, Wolfgang Ischer, Norman Holland, and then you have Hans Robert Joss and Stuart Hall. So these are associated with reader response criticism. So learners, आज के वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही. अगली क्लासेस में फिर से मिलूंगा. And please, if you are going to appear for June 2020 exam, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपकी परफेक्ट प्रिपरेशन नहीं है, so अभी लेट नहीं है, this is the right time, you can join my crash course and even I'm going to provide all the things, सब कुछ क्लियर हो जाएगा. So just join my crash course and then you will get something really really important learners. Yes, even daily practice, क्योंकि मैं learners a comprehensive course that is based on MCQs, and then this is crash course. So on crash course I am going to cover your entire syllabus within मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. एंड रेफरल कोड तो लर्नर्स बिल्कुल आप कभी भूलेंगे नहीं, AKS राजवीर. पेपर 1 के लिए भी क्रैश कोर्स है ऑन बोथ द लैंग्वेज हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. यस, बाय द टॉप एजुकेटर नवदीप कौर एंड yes we have Vishal Verma. And then English, so yes, Sivlingam, and then you have Niharika. So yes, these are the educator, top educator at an academy. So learners, and even if you have any kind of query, so yes, you can message me on this number so that कि मैं आपकी सारी जो queries होगी learners क्लियर कर दूंगा. So thank you so much, stay tuned with me, and dear learners, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet in the next class, because learners आपके लिए बहुत अच्छे videos है मेरे पास, बहुत अच्छा content है, and I am going to provide on this YouTube channel. So thank you so much learners.